Neću 13 puta pričati. Ali ja nisam glumac, ja sam entertainer. Može? Dobar dan, dobri ljudi. Twister je tu, tamo su igrači i sad ćemo imati ko će pobediti.
Radimo Twister. Sada ćemo da najavimo učesnike. Prvi, doktor za žene. Doktor za LOL. Doktor za sve.
God for woman, God for law, God for everything.
Šripel. Are you ready? Your first assignment is right foot red. Okay,
Why would you go there?
next one. We go top 10, top 5, okay, EU West. Best support EBL, best support EU Masters soon. Mersa. Are you ready? Giga ready, then go left hand red, immediate. Sada prelazimo na srpski jezik. MVP prošlog splita. Top laner u Šajmse koji zapravo ima ruke. Klauni! Si spreman, brate moj?
Spreman.
Šta piše ovdje?
Što piše? Nije toliko teško.
Left foot red. Da bi se video, staću ovdje. Napravit ću jedan krug, dok prozivam našeg sljedećeg. Trenutnog MVP-a, doktora na bot lane-u, frizuru kako niko nema sigurno. To je jedan jedini. Vizizi! Are you ready, my friend? You will read it.
Left foot green.
Ide na zeleno. I ostaje. Do we need an introduction for this guy?
Of course you don't! It's a king!
RNG gods, again good for you.
Right foot, yellow.
Yeah.
What
I
are doing?
can-
What are doing?
I think this one.
No, I think that is fine.
I can come here, yeah.
Okay. Are you ready for rapid fire?
Yeah, let's go.
Misha. Right hand green. Mersa.
Yeah.
Right hand green.
Okay.
Clowny. Left hand blue. Jesus Christ. VZZ. Left hand blue. Spooky. Right foot blue. So you can just transfer. Hard game for Next one, Misha. Left hand red.
Holy shit.
Next one, Mersa. Left hand yellow. That is tricky. Clowny. Left hand green. VZZ. Right foot green.
GG.
Just do it.
Kakav kadar ovdje imamo? Spooky. Left foot yellow.
Wait. He's lying for sure. You're lying.
No. I'm not lying.
I cannot. I mean, simply, I cannot.
It's my turn. No?
Yeah.
You know, guys, I could have broke you all, but I'm not doing it.
Right hand red.
No way.
Okay. Okay, he's out. Mersa.
Yeah.
Right hand red.
Okay.
Clowny.
Yes.
Left foot green.
Oh. Oh, wait.
Okay. He's
My knee,
alive.
Please. My fucking knee, bro. Give me something.
Left hand yellow.
Left hand yellow.
Yeah.
Okay. Oh.
Okay, alright. Mersa.
Yeah.
Left foot blue.
What?
GG. Mersa is too good at this game, by the way.
What?
Clowny.
Yes.
Left foot yellow.
Okay.
Okay, VZZ. Left hand yellow.
Left hand yellow.
Yeah. Okay, keep it there. Right foot blue, Mersa.
Oh.
No way!
Clowny.
Yes.
Left hand blue.
Left hand blue. Wait.
Go fast, I'm going down.
VZZ. Right hand yellow.
Right hand yellow.
Yeah. Mersa. Right foot yellow.
Right foot yellow.
Mersa is Clowny.
Yes.
Left foot blue. VZZ. Right hand green.
Right hand green.
Yeah. Mersa.
Yeah.
Right. Oh, clown is out. Clown is out.
Oh shit.
Right hand blue, Mersa.
Right hand blue.
Oh fuck.
Super.
VZZ.
Ah. Say it fast.
Yeah.
Right foot red.
Right foot red.
Bro, yeah.
Mersa.
Don't say I lost, bro.
Left hand yellow.
Okay, easy. Oh, it's
It's
not.
already dead.
VZZ.
Careful what to say.
Left hand yellow.
Is there?
Okay. Let's go, Mersa.
Yeah.
Left hand yellow.
It's there.
Okay.
Whatever, man.
VZZ. Right foot red.
Is there?
Mersa. Right foot blue.
What?
It's GG! No, for sure.
Okay.
VZZ. Left hand blue. Ovo je bilo za male. Nice try, man. Ovo je bilo fantastično, ali morao je biti jedan pobjednik. Tell me, how does it feel? Rank 5 EU West, rank 1 in Twister in Belgrade, probably.
To be honest, winning this feels better than winning GBL.
And harder. Ja mislim da ne moramo ništa više pričamo, to je bilo to sa ovim video. Lajkujte ako vam se svidjelo i nema potrebe ništa više pričam. Ćao.
Ciao.